Daddy's got you on camera, Kristen.
It's Tuesday. Gina's Five's here.
It's April 20th. Sun's out.
Yeah.
And CJ's coming down a month and a half from now.
Yeah.
And I'm glad to be with Chris and Gina and Kristen. And I saw the cab driver this morning that takes Kristen to school. Said she's a very good girl, Chris.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Oh, careful, K-Bear. Oh, your shoe fell off? Let me help you with that, honey.
That one hurt you. Kristen, that one, ow.
Yeah.
Thorns on it, huh? That one, that'll hurt you. You want to grab that.
Yeah.
She knows, doesn't she? She learned, yeah.
Yeah.
She grab a dandelion, but if she grabs that, she's in trouble.
Yeah.
That's a nice outfit.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna have some nice weather this week. Maybe showers, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what you doing, Kristen? Raise your right leg up. Raise your leg up. Kick it out. Do you kick? There you go. Hold your knee. That's it, knee. Yeah. No, don't kick.
Oh, don't kick the door,
Don't kick
K-Bear.
Don't kick people either. Don't hit Mommy. Don't hit CJ. Nope, nope, nope. Kristen, you ready? Ready? Kristen? Ready? Jump, I'll catch you. Come on, go. Ha! I got you. That's Kristen Tiana Grady. It's good to see her.
Huh.
Yeah, she's getting big. Well, CJ's getting big too, Chris.
Yeah.
He's cool. Yep. I saw a girl yesterday, and she was huge.
Huh.
You know, pregnant. And I said, boy, but you do pretty soon. It's tomorrow. I said, oh, all right, that's pretty soon. There you go. There you go, honey. Catch it. Oh, you caught it. Good. Nice try. What
Yeah.
good, huh, Chris?
Yeah, it is.
That's good. It's nice.
Yeah.
We got our truck back, so that's good.
Oh, that's good, yeah.
Oh, man. I didn't like that little Yaris. Oh, it's like riding in a little bubble.
Yeah.
Didn't care much for the Corolla either. I like our truck.
How you doing, K-Bear? Get in the car?
Sure. She likes the car, huh?
Yeah.
I think you got a good buy for your money.
Yeah.
Pretty soon, little CJ, he'll have to have a smaller seat though, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Do you walk like this, Kristen?
Yeah.
Go ahead, let me see it. Your feet apart. Come on, your feet apart. There you go, that's it. Backwards to it, sure.
Yeah. I taught her that.
Kristen,
Oh, careful. Careful the tree.
can you hop, honey? Can you hop on one foot?
No.
Yes, you can. What do you mean, no? He likes that rock.
Yeah.
Can you how far can you jump? Can you jump out? Jump out. Jump way out. No, oh, not in the flowers. Oh, that was close, man.
Yeah.
She knows, though.
Yeah.
Go on, Bonnie's not doing too bad. She just gets sick every 10 days, trying to find out what's wrong with her. It's frustrating.
Yeah.
Had 6 or 8 different tests, ultrasounds, scans, all sort of nonsense. Everything's working perfectly, Mr. Boyer. So yeah, sure there is. Hey, thank you. That's a berry. That's fruit. See, there's a little. Want to see it inside?
Yeah.
Don't bite them. But see, there's a little seed in there. See?
Yeah.
A little seed. See the seed? Yep. It's a seed. Makes a new plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty soon, leaves are going to come out of the buds.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're swelling up, Chris. It's getting to be some warmer weather, finally. That's going to help Bonnie a lot, the warmer weather.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. At least we didn't have a lot of snow this winter. I only used the ATV once after the first week of January. It's hard to believe. So you got your tapes and everything of every day. That's good.
Yep.
Wonderful. I bet if you look at the first one you did, 2 months ago?
Yeah.
And you see, I bet she looks older.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we found some crocuses over there, but
Yeah?
I can't find them off the ball.
Okay, well, if you see
They're
them,
beautiful.
you dig them up and take care of them. Yeah? Dig them and take care of them.
What are you doing, K Bear? Yeah.
See, Emily.
Yep.
Gotcha. I don't want to drop that.
No, we should fix that crack.
Cut my thumb. Is that Mommy?
Yeah.
Is that CJ?
Yeah. That's Daddy.
Hey. It doesn't hurt your stomach, huh? Yeah, that's because you don't have as much on your stomach as I have on mine. Put you down?
She's just too heavy for me right now, too.
How's CJ awake yet?
No, not yet. He hasn't really been active for the last 2 days.
Sure is nice out here, isn't it, Gina?
Yeah.
No snow on the ground.
Dad, don't rag it right down. That's sweet.
That woman I saw pictures of, this is really she's big. Let's get much closer than that.
Wait a minute.
There's a woman down in Poland.
Oh.
She's huge.
Yep.
Yes, she did. You keep you awake at night, Gina? Not too much, huh?
Yeah, he has, but lately he's been better.
Is he an active baby?
And he is,
Does he
yeah.
make you move a lot?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like that. Yeah.
Get you. I'm gonna get you. I'll get you, K Bear. Hey, get me. Get me. Come on. Come on, get me. Get me, K Bear. Get me. You're not gonna get me, K Bear.
I gotta get you.
No, you're not.
I gotta get
Yeah, I know we've done this before, but whatever.
I gotta get you.
No, you're not.
I gotta get you.
No, you're not.
I gotta get you. I gotta get you.
This is time, Gay. Hey, Bear.
What?
Nothing. You're supposed to tag me. Oh, there you go. Oh, you're that.
Yeah. Where's Mommy?
Mommy's right there, honey.
Mommy's over there.
Oh, your shoe fell off again?
Yeah. Well, they're just a good sod. They're reliable and very good.
That's good.
The electrician discovered a little problem.
Okay.
In here, it's all free.
Yeah.
And see how that's lumpy out?
Yep.
It's going to come out if we don't get rid of
Gotta
it.
fix that.